Please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Mikitech. Hi guys, here is the power bank from the Realme Power Bank 2. It comes with 10,000 mAh watts capacity battery, and also I have just used the product. So in this video, let's do quickly unboxing of the product. But before that, it comes with a Type A port and Type C, and also here there was a status slide. And also the most interesting thing is it comes with the thickness level. It's just a 15 thickness level, and its weight is just around 216 grams only. It comes with 12 layers protection for this Realme Power Bank 2. And also guys, they have provided a dedicated button. If you double tap this button, then the device will go to the low current mode, which means you can easily charge the allowed devices like smartwatch, smart band, or even the Bluetooth headphones. You can use that in the low current mode by just double tapping on this button. And it looks very slim, and the design was excellent. Anyhow, let's quickly unbox the product right now. Hi everyone, this is Jason from Mikitech. Hi guys, here is the Realme Power Bank 2. So let's do unbox quickly in this video. So recently we know that the Realme launches the 4 products, and here is one of the product. Here is the Power Bank 2 of the Realme. Whereas at the front side we have seen that Realme design, and also they mention here real 10,000 mAh Realme Power Bank 2. On the side there was the Realme texture. On the other hand side also same texture. At the bottom there was nothing, and also the front side also nothing. On the back side they mentioned that 18 watts quick charger for multi devices and low light mode for IoT devices, and also Type C input and output to a quick charge they mentioned here. And also they're saying that it comes with 12 production circuits along with dual output simultaneously. And also finally they said that high density lithium polymer batteries they use. It's a good thing, lithium polymer they used it in this here. And also this label sticker represents it comes with yellow color, and it was imported recently on this March 20th they imported. And also they mentioned the specifications, output, input, Type C port, they mentioned the stuff like that. So okay, anyhow, let's quickly unbox this product. Quickly break the seal and see what's inside this power bank and what are the accessories they're providing. So there was a tape here, so I was trying to break the tape. So here we go. They're given a pointer, so we need to gently break this seal. And also recently Realme launches 4 products in India. We know that one is called Realme Smart TV and Smart Watch, along with earbuds, and the final one is a Realme. So here is the power bank itself. So here we go. So nothing inside the box. So here is the Realme Power Bank 2. So it comes with 10,000 mAh battery. I have placed the order for yellow color. So here it was. So let's quickly open this. Wow, it's not fit. This was much weight, even though it comes with 10,000 mAh. The texture was very good. It feels very good texture. And also it feels non-slippery besides this Realme texture logo here. And also at the back side we have seen that they mentioned 10,000 mAh amperes, and whereas at the front side we have seen there was a USB-A, USB-C along with lighting indicators and a button we can shift from a lot of devices while we charging low current mode. And also at the front side the Realme texture, and this was very the texture finishing was very good. It was very non-slippery. It was not heavy. I feel good while hold it. And let's see what's inside the box they provided. Here is the quick setup user manual guide how to operate it. Let it put it aside. And inside it there was a data cable which is for USB-A for this a pointer, and USB-C for the other end. This is 2-in-1 plug guys. If you remove the cap like this, you have seen the USB 2.0 and Type C port and USB. The data cable was provided. So let me check whether is there any charge or not. I was going to put the USB-A here. On this port I have just plugged the USB-A. On the other end Type C port. Here is the Samsung M21 mobile phone, where right now I was doing review on this mobile phone. So on the other hand I was going to place it on this mobile. So let's see whether it's there any charging or not. So I have just connected. Oh, it's taking the charging. You can see on the screen it was going to take the charging. You guys can check out right now on the bottom of the screen. It's showing the fast charging 61%. So it was charging, which means there was a power in the power bank, and also you have seen there was a LED light. One LED light was lightning, which means this device was giving output voltage. Very soon I was going to provide the complete review about this Realme power bank too. Thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't know, please subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Stay connected with your family. Take care.